Cross, you're closing on the MV Nordwind. Intel's thin, but it's not just cargo they're hauling. Something big's on that ship. Something that could shift the balance up here.
Shift the balance. You always make it sound like the world's ending, Cypher.
In this business, it usually is. Get in, find out what they're hiding, and get out. No heroics.
Heroics? That's not in my contract. But if I find a bonus, I'm keeping it.
Focus, Jack. The Arctic's not forgiving, and neither are the mercs on that ship. They're not your average rent-a-cops.
Neither am I. You got my back, or are you just here to state the obvious?
I'm here to keep you from freezing before you finish the job. Radio silence until you're aboard.
Mum's the word.